Got a hiatal hernia? Do you chest breathe or do you stomach breathe? This is a big issue. Not for everybody. Some people have scoliosis or poor posture, kyphosis, that makes them more predisposed to a hiatal hernia. And then also there are people that have a lot of constipation, or bodybuilders lifting heavy weights, bending down, holding their breath while they're pushing the weights up. That builds abdominal pressure. That creates a hiatal hernia. But. Are you a chest breather or a stomach breather? This matters. Most of us are chest breathers. Why this is important is because we have a ligament that holds our esophagus and stomach, just above the stomach, to the diaphragm. It allows the diaphragm to raise and lower and the stomach to come up and down with it, right? The esophagus. So that ligament is the Freno-esophageal ligament, or the Frenico-esophageal ligament, not with an F, with a PH. And that ligament has an upper and a lower leaflet. The upper leaflet, and this is the diaphragm, my finger going across here. So the upper leaflet connects to the esophagus, and then down here to the upper part of the diaphragm. The lower leaflet down here connects to the esophagus down here, and the upper part up here in the ligament, or the middle of that ligament, the A-frame part of it, that connects to the lower part of the diaphragmatic membrane, okay? And it allows the diaphragm to go up and down. That ligament stretches. It's got laxicity to it and collagen to it. And as time goes on, or if you're pregnant, yes, what's going to happen? Your body's going to secrete elastin and make that ligament that more stretchy, more susceptible to hiatal hernia, stomach herniating up. So all of this is related. The Freno-esophageal ligament is directly related to hiatal hernia and breathing, chest breathing or stomach breathing. So you have that ligament, you have an upper leaflet, a lower leaflet. The upper leaflet in most people is thicker based on, when they've cut open cadavers. And what they've found is that upper ligament is often twice as thick as the lower leaflet or the lower portion of that Freno-esophageal ligament. Why? Because most of us are chest breathers. So we're strengthening that upper ligament over years, decades and decades. So when does Freno-esophageal ligament become a factor? In swallowing and breathing, okay? Those are two things that the Freno-esophageal allows for, the swallowing and the breathing, okay? And raising up and down of that diaphragm. And then you got the lower ligament, Freno-esophageal ligament, and that is often thinner or weaker because most of us are not belly breathers. And what's the right way to breathe? Chest breathe or belly breathe? Guess. Make a comment below. What do you think is better? Now, again, most of us have a stronger or thicker ligament on the top because we're chest breathers. I pretty much gave it away, guys. If you get this wrong, come on, I gave it to you. So, belly breathing. When you buy the REFLUX shield and you do the maneuver with my device, it gives you stretches and exercises to strengthen the lower portion or lower leaflet of the Freno-esophageal ligament, as well as your diaphragm with diaphragmatic breathing exercises. Check out some of the other videos I've done with hiatal hernia exercises. But when you get the REFLUX shield, you're able to pull that hernia down, okay, and allow for the ligament to release, okay, pulling the stomach down, and then we give you exercises on a QR code to strengthen the diaphragmatic breathing and the Freno-esophageal ligament. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.